Jeff and Marin Filmer of Tiburon. They purchased this beautiful home that had a defective driveway that the seller tried to hide with tile, but it had cracked. We needed to remove the entire driveway, put a lot of steel in there so structurally sound, and put a trench drain in the front of the garage to collect all the water. They currently had water going into the driveway and into the corner of the house. We had to reslope the new driveway so it would run away as well as collect all the water. They selected a beautiful brown earth tone finish with texture matte, and they love the project.